Okay everyone, so again welcome back to my video. So this one is of quadratic equation, solving of quadratic equation by factorization method. So this one is the of exercise, I think 8.1 of vedenta. So 8.1 is definitely the 8.1, and I think this one is the last. Okay, so in the previous video I did 10a, so thinking that if I done 10a then 10b will be no problem for you, but maybe some of the students might find some problem in there, so I decided to make this video also. So just like the previous one, the sum of first and even number, okay, the sum of first and even number is given by Sn equals to n square plus n. This Sn means sum of first even number. Okay, this is the sum of first and even number. So when we just like you have already studied in the sequence in series, Sn denotes the sum of two n numbers, just like that. Yes, the sum of the first and even number is given by, now this Sn denotes the is Sn, sum of first and even numbers. So we have given the value added to make their sum one. The sum of first and even numbers we have given 110. Yes, the sum of the first and even number. So we have already given the even how many even numbers should be added to make their sum 110. So we have given Sn, that is 110. So we have to find the value of n is not n square, n equals to what, how many even numbers. This denotes the number of even numbers, even number. Okay, you don't need to write this, okay, because you have to find the value of n. So the sum of the first n even numbers is given by Sn equals to n square plus n. That is the generalization of this sum of the first n even number. Okay, we have, and again we have Sn is given by n square plus n. The value of Sn, the value of Sn, Sn denotes the sum of the even numbers, n even numbers, first n even numbers, and its value is given by this generalization formula n square plus n, and you just replace the value of Sn by 110. So n is just like now n square plus n 110 equals to 0. Now we can just factorize this. 11n minus 10n minus 110 equals to 0. Here comes n common, n plus 11 minus 10 n plus 11 equals to 0, or n plus 11 n minus 10 equals to 0. This is the solution. Now either n plus 11 equals to 0, or n equals to minus 11, or n minus 10 equals to 0, or n equals to 10. So the sum of the first even number, so we don't consider this negative sign, we have to reject this. Yes, in odd and even number there is no negative sign. A negative sign falls under the integers. Okay, negative sign numbers, they fall inside the integers. So in case of even numbers or odd numbers or natural numbers, whole numbers, yes, we reject the value of n in negative sign, the numbers in negative sign. So n equals to 10, that is the answer. Therefore, as you know the reason, you just, how many even numbers should be added? 10 even numbers. First 10 even numbers should be added, to make this sum. This sum, what, to make this sum 100, right? Finished. I hope you like it. Just make a screenshot and copy this. Okay, this much for today. Cheers.